No. Not for you.
Are those your two favorites, Goofy and Donald?
They're for them.
What about the others, my dear?
With the other one. Okay.
Is that a Mickey?
Yeah, a Mickey.
And what are the other two? Where are the other two?
Right there.
Is that a Minnie? Ah, be careful. If you break them, they won't play anymore, love.
Why?
Because they're delicate things. If you break it, it's broken, my dear. Are those your pretty bows?
Yeah. Whoopsie.
Whoopsie daisy. I love your little face. Your little just woke up face. What about Daisy? You getting Daisy?
Daisy.
There they are, all in a row. Donald, Goofy, Minnie, Mickey, and Daisy. Who's your favorite?
I want myself to be happy. He wants to be happy.
He wants to be happy, so he's your favorite?
Hey, for you. Scooby-Doo.
Mm-hmm.
So Scooby-Doo. No, he walks away.
Oh, really?
Away.
You gotta be very careful. You'll break him, my dear.
I'm sorry.
You don't need to be sorry, just be careful, okay?
I didn't put it.
No, leave him with the others, please. You put them all in a line, but don't take them off of that little table, okay? Okay? She's like, yes, of course.
I'll put them right there.
They're good girl.
I'll put them right there.
Good girl.
Get all of them. I'll get all of them together.
Good girl. Good Zoe.
Yeah, I'll put them all together.
You did. I love you, Zoe Bird.
Oh,
Your favorite thing.